Photo background support equipment is an essential tool for any photographer looking to create professional quality images. These products include stands and poles that can be used to suspend backgrounds and backdrops, as well as clamps and clips to hold them in place. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check out my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1, Neoor Backdrop Stand, Black. The Neoor Backdrop Stand, 10 feet x 7 feet, is a photo studio backdrop support system that is flexible and ideal for weddings, background portrait photography, and other events. It includes 2 backdrop stands, 4 crossbars, and additional accessories for secure backdrop support. The adjustable height and breadth allow for the creation of a variety of backgrounds for photography work. With a load capacity of up to 8.8 lb/4 kg, the aluminum alloy backdrop stand is both sturdy and solid. In addition, 2 empty nylon sandbags for increased stability, 6 backdrop spring clamps, and a carrying bag are included. The best features are: adjustable height and width, stable backdrop stand, secure mounting, comes with a carrying bag, easy to assemble. Number 2, Emart Photo Video Studio. The Emart 7x10 FT adjustable background stand is an excellent option for both photographers and videographers. It is lightweight and portable, and it can be modified to accommodate various background backdrop sizes. It comes with a number of attachments, including clamps, clips, and sandbags, to improve the shooting effect. Customers have found it to be simple to install and operate, and it is appropriate for a wide range of applications, including newborn photos, pet portraits, and more. The best features are: lightweight and portable, adjustable to fit different sizes of background backdrops, comes with a variety of accessories, easy to assemble and use, suitable for a variety of applications. Number 3, Orday Backdrop Stand Kit. Most photography studios and certain shooting venues require an Orday background stand. It is intended not only to serve as a picture background stand, but also to carry decorations such as balloons, curtains, and bunting flags for parties, weddings, and various festival events. It has 2 heavy-duty steel platforms that stretch from 2.3 feet to 7 feet, making it a perfect choice for a studio area. The stands connect to a 4-section crossbar that can be configured between 5 feet and 10 feet in length, providing considerable adaptability and flexibility. It's made of high-quality steel and is strong enough to sustain the weight of backgrounds while remaining steady and constant. With a weight of up to 5 kg/11 lbs, it's powerful enough to hang various backdrops such as seamless paper, muslin, canvas, or fabric. 6 heavy-duty clamps grabs and stretches the background securely, avoiding creases and ensuring a smooth look. 2 sandbags made of high-quality waterproof nylon material, strong enough to contain sand, rocks, or bottled water, with additional weights to keep them steady for outdoor use. The best features are: versatile and highly adjustable, durable and stable background support. Comes with 6 useful clamps and 2 sandbags. Number 4, Hbusan Backdrop Stand. The Hbusan Backdrop Stand is a full package for photographing family gatherings, weddings, and parties, as well as shooting/streaming video. It has an adjustable height of 2.3 feet to a maximum of 7 feet and an adjustable background length of 5.2 feet to a maximum of 10 feet. The set comes with 6 backdrop clips, 2 sandbags, and a travel bag for simple storage and transport. Customers have commended the product for its simplicity of assembly and high quality, while some have expressed concern about the carrying case's durability. The best features are: lightweight and easy to maneuver, adjustable height and backdrop, includes 6 background clips, 2 sandbags, and a travel bag. Easy to assemble. Good quality. Number 5, Julia Studio 10.1 feet extra wide. The Julia Studio backdrop stand kit comes with 2 crossbars, 2 support stands, 4 spring clamps, 4 backdrop elastic string clips, and 2 sandbags, all of which fit into a carry bag. It is built of a lightweight, adaptable, and portable aluminum alloy with good width and height adjustment flexibility. It is great for professional photography, photo studios, parties, weddings, and other real-time streaming media because it grips the canvas, muslin, and paper and has picture clamps for a tight grasp to prevent background slip out. The best features are easy to assemble and adjust for different photography needs. Comes with a carry bag for convenient storage and transport. Strong grip clamps prevent backdrop slip out. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.